Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with a 15-minute walking workout. Just marching, time with the music if you can. So we're just warming up for now. I'm going to ask you to have a quick look around you, just double check there's nothing you're going to bash into or trip over. Let's take it to 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. So it's up to you how big you make those steps. So if you want to make it a bit harder, you can actually dip down into that step. If you want to make it easier, keep it small. Most of the time, just stay facing me. I will turn regularly so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Keep saying, keep facing me even. We're going to change that slightly. 1, 2, 3, and knee lift. You can add a clap if you want. If a knee lift doesn't work for you, then by all means take it to a toe tap. Well done. And swinging the arms back and forward. If that doesn't work, leave the arms out. Then you take your toe tap. Go back to the march on the spot. Do 3 and a toe tap. Now hold it left, right, left, right. So we're going to go 2 forward, 2 back on the opposite foot. 2 forward, 2 back. Turn again so you can see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 2, 3, lift. If you don't want to do that lift, you can toe tap instead. Just march it through. And a tap. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. Hold it here, march. Right, left. Don't worry if you're not on the right foot, it really doesn't matter. Side step and touch. So it doesn't matter how big this is. If you want to work harder, you're going to make it bigger. If you want to keep it small, you can barely move side to side, just lifting the foot, tapping it against the other one. I do little bicep curls to the side. Keep that moving. Shift across to the left-hand side of your mat. Marching on the spot, well done. Ready for 2 steps to the right, with right arm and left arm pushing out. If the arms don't feel right for you, you can always do a little bit lower, or maybe just swing them across. But if you can, push it high and make the steps right for you. So you can make them nice big steps, or you can make them really small. Okay, well done. With 2 arms up, push. Take them slightly in front of the face. If that doesn't feel good for you, you can always take them across the body. And again, the size of those steps depends on how strong your ankles are, how your knees feel, how your hips feel even. You're going to go with what feels right for you today. Back to single arm.
Need
Ready to march again. And a tap, 4, 3. You might want to turn slightly to the side if you haven't got a lot of space to work. So we're going to go forward for 4 and back 2, 3, 4. So you can come straight to me if that works for you. If you feel a bit thirsty during the workout, please walk off. Keep moving, grab your water, have a sip, come back. Try and keep moving throughout, even if you're not copying what I'm doing. Hold it here. You're going to slowly march, same move, across to the other side. And tap, march, 2, 3, and tap. 2 side steps. So we're starting off to the left this time. Don't worry if you're not going the same way as me. It really doesn't matter, you're moving. You're going to work at your level, what's right for you. You really can, if you want, add a little hop. Or keep it really low. Keep the arm low, you can just swing the arm across if you want. But if you're able to, take it higher. Both arms. Again, you don't have to do both arms. We're going to do that march forward next time, so you might need to turn. 4, 3, 2, keep it moving. Keep it to this end of the mat. Single side steps. Your choice. You can make it nice and big and really swing the arms, or you can make it nice and small and barely touch the feet together. It really is your body, your workout, so your choice. Think about standing tall, pulling your belly in and keep breathing. Ready for 2 steps to the right, so 2 to the right and touch and back. And again, you have that choice to make it nice and big or really small. Go with what feels right for you. We're trying to get to the end of the 15-minute workout. So we're going to add on to that. We're going to step tap and toe tap in front. Toe tap in front. Or you can make it even harder with a knee lift. Add some arms. So this is your hardest version. Easier version. The toe tap. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. A little knee lift. Higher you lift the knee, the harder it's going to be. So, if you just go with the toe tap and keep the arms small, that's fine too. So those that want to, you can add those arms, work a little bit harder. And if you're only doing the easy version now, come back and do this workout again. And you can do it a bit more vigorously next time. Single side steps. Take it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back. And again, how big those steps are depend on how much energy you want to put into it and how much space you've got. A little hop if you really want. I'm trying to keep mine all low impact, so I've got no bounce in mine. Hold it here. Kick it across. Keeping those knees soft as you kick across the body. If that doesn't work for you, then keep the toe on the ground. Try and cross across the body slightly so you're working the hips. Well done. Keep those feet. So tapping in front now. Bringing the arms up in front. Beginning to bring the heart rate down now. Take it out to the side. Hold it to the right. 4, 3, 2, and change. So the smaller you make it, the easier it is. 4. And if you want to work the back of the arms, you can really lift those elbows up. If you don't, just let the arms swing gently, pulling the belly in. Back to singles each way. Keep facing forward, toe taps in front. Bring those elbows up, elbows up. A definite movement. Well done. Last 4, 3, 2. Take it side to side. Remember, we're beginning to bring the heart rate down here, so don't make it too intense. Let the arms relax a little bit more. Well done. We're going to tap it behind. So keeping the back nice and neutral. Try not to arch the back as you tap back, so you might need to lean forward slightly. Bend the knee as you go back. Take it side to side. Out to the side for 4. And change for 4. Well done. Change. 4. And change. Taking it across in front. Toes on the ground now. Arms are nice and relaxed. Relax the shoulders. Think of retracting the chin. Keeping the head upright. I'm going to turn. You can stay facing me. Well done. Taking it behind. So be really aware here that you're not arching your back. I have a tendency to push my chest forward and lift and arch my back. So be aware of that. Pull the belly in. Keep breathing. Take it side to side. Well done. Let's take that right foot back and in. Out and in. Out and in and out. Next time we're going to hold that right foot back, push the heel down to the ground and lift. Watch both feet are pointing forwards. If you're struggling with your balance, take your legs a little bit wider. Hold it there. So knees above the ankle, leaning slightly forward. Watch you haven't let your ankle slip in. You're feeling the stretch in the back of the calf. And you're going to adjust it so it feels right for you. If you need to be here and you're feeling the stretch in the back of your calf, that's fine. If you need to go a bit further back, that's fine too. Be really aware of what's going on with your lower back and watch you've not opened up through the hips. So we're keeping those hips squared forward towards me. Well done. Hold it there. Bring that foot in, let's change legs. Other leg goes back and in, back and in, back and in, back. Hold it there. Lift and lower, and down, lift and down. So really watch again what's happening with that back foot. Ankle shouldn't be sliding in. Go straight back. Bring your foot a bit closer if you need to. If you can't get the heel all the way down, I'm going to turn, keep facing me. Push that heel back down into the mat, hold it here. Leaning forward until you feel the stretch in the calf. Remember, knees above the ankle. If you have a quick look down to see what's going on, watch you're not arching your back. We're looking from a straight line from the top of the head through to the ground for the heel. And the hips squared off, pointing forward. So you're not letting that hip drop back. You might want to put your hands on your leg, that's up to you, and just relax into that stretch. Just adjust it if you need to, if the stretch is too intense. Well done, just take it out. Well done. Thank you for joining me in today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next workout. Bye for now.